Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today let's get ready for a party. I have to quickly get ready, so I am quite in a rush right now. So I will quickly show you what I am doing for today's look. First of all, I start with the pore tightening toner always, and since I'm going to a party, this toner from Glow Recipe really does the job so well. So I'm going to hydrate with my pore tightening toner. Next I'm using this moisturizing cream from Marc Jacobs. This cream gives me an even base and my foundation or concealer kind of blends in beautifully. For this look I'm not using foundation, I'm just sticking to concealer and contour. I am using this underpainting method, so I'm going to contour my skin first and then move to the other steps. With the help of a contour brush, I'm going to first nicely blend all my contouring. And then I'll put the concealer and do the other steps. Please blend the contour nicely because then it will give you a very even finish. Next, I move into the concealer. I'm going to nicely highlight my under eyes and all my dark circles and pimples and black spots, everything that's kind of looking a little weird right now. So nicely I'm going to blend the concealer. Rather than just blending, I like to dab the concealer so that it kind of settles in my skin. For this look I'm not going to be using any foundation. After the concealer is done, I'm going to set the makeup and the base with the MAC Studio Fix powder. It also acts as a foundation sort of, but more so as a compact powder. Now we start with the eye makeup, which is the highlight of today's makeup look. I'm going to prime my eyes with the concealer itself so that my eyeshadow looks nice. And here I don't have a eye makeup tape, so I'm going to use this card and to do this eye makeup because I need to really have that sharp defined edges. So first I'm going to take a very basic nude shade and I'm going to fill it all over my eyelid doing the windshield motion, and then we'll slowly build the other colors. Next I took a brown shade and I'm going to try to blend it on my crease line and kind of create a soft brown eye look. The colors are from this makeup palette from Dior. So I'm nicely blending everything so that it looks quite seamless. The eye makeup is the highlight of this look, so you have to spend a little time doing the eye makeup because the rest is pretty much simple. So I'm going to be nicely blending everything. Here I'm taking a black eyeshadow because I want to make that black smoky effect, and I'm going to dab that eyeshadow on my upper eyelids and very close to the lash line because I want it to be from dark to the lighter colors and it to have a nice transition. And now I'm going to blend this black eyeshadow with the help of a flat brush, and I want to kind of mix it and blend it with the other colors so that the transition is smooth. So you can see on my other eye I have kind of blended so well that it's like from black to brown, there's a smooth transition. That's the kind of look we want to achieve. Next I'm taking a gel eyeliner and I'm going to line my upper lash line very close to my lashes so that there's quite a prominent black lining. Take some time and do this lining because you want to make it look a little more precise and even. So I'm taking this time to make sure that my look is looking quite sharp and nice, and also making sure that there are no harsh lines. So this gel liner from Swiss Beauty does the job perfectly. Also making sure that the lower lash line gets a little bit of drama as well. So I'm taking the same gel liner and going till the month, like leaving the inner corner of the eyes and just kind of putting the gel liner, and I'm going to also smudge it because if you don't smudge it, the soft look will not come. It will be looking more like a harsh line. Next, I'm going to put the mascara. I am taking this mascara from L'Oreal. I am not putting any false lashes because I don't want to make it look too dramatic, so I am sticking to mascara. You can also put false lashes if you want. Also, don't forget the lower lash line. Kind of fill it, take time and fill it out properly. Forget to fill in your brow bones. So I am taking a shimmery shade from the palette itself and filling in my brow bones with my fingers only. This also kind of gives a nice shimmery look, and the look is kind of complete with it. Here I am doing like bare minimum of making my eyebrows pop, so I'm just brushing my eyebrows, which is quite important for any look, so make sure you do it. Removing the excess product from my face because I use the Dior palette, it did not have too much of fallout, but still just making sure that there's no fallout. Now moving to the blush, keeping a very neutral look, so I'm going to be using this rustic peach shade. I'm going to blend it nicely so that I have a flush of color which looks quite natural. Now it's time to line my lips. So I'm going to be using a liquid lipstick this time. So for that I'm going to be lining my lips properly. Lining your lips is quite important when you want to achieve that nude look. And because I'm using liquid lipstick, it's very important to moisturize your lips and put the liquid lipsticks in, because then otherwise you may get quite a dry chapped lip look. So I'm using Vaseline here and kind of moisturizing my lips and then putting the lipstick. So here I'm using this lipstick from Just Herbs, which I got recently. I scraped excess product and I'm just taking bare minimum and putting it on my lips. Look at the color, it's so natural and so shiny and goes so well with the look. Just in love with this shade. Again, I am just brushing any kind of excess makeup, fallouts, anything, creases. And yeah, my makeup look is complete. I wore a sari, and yeah, this is my final look. Very proud of how the look turned out. It's so soft, natural, glam, and even I didn't even use foundation, so it's quite light on the face. If you like this makeup look, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video so that I can get you more videos like this. Until next time, bye.